Google is shaking up the world of online shopping. They're using the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. This means your shopping experience is about to get a whole lot smarter. Forget endlessly scrolling through pages of products. Google's new AI-powered shopping tab is designed to make finding what you want easier and faster. This isn't just another algorithm. Google is using its vast knowledge of user behavior. It analyzes your past searches, your browsing history, and even your YouTube watch history. All of this data is used to understand your preferences and predict what you might be looking for. The result? A shopping experience that's tailored to you. So how does it actually work? When you open the shopping tab, you're met with a personalized feed. This feed is constantly being updated based on your activity. Let's say you've been searching for a new pair of running shoes. Google's AI takes note of the brands you've clicked on. It sees the styles you've lingered on and the reviews you've read, but it goes beyond just your recent searches. Google's AI can even connect the dots between seemingly unrelated activities. For example, if you've been watching yoga videos on YouTube, it might suggest yoga mats or athletic wear alongside those running shoes. The algorithm is constantly learning and evolving, becoming more accurate and personalized over time. The benefits of this personalized approach are numerous. First and foremost, it saves you time and effort. No more sifting through endless pages of irrelevant products. The shopping tab presents you with a curated selection of items that align with your tastes and needs. This leads to a more enjoyable and efficient shopping experience. Beyond convenience, the AI-powered recommendations can also help you discover new products and brands. You might stumble upon something you didn't even know you needed. This element of discovery can make shopping more exciting and less about simply checking items off a list. Real people, real recommendations. Let's say you're looking for a birthday gift for your niece who's really into astronomy. You could spend hours browsing different online stores hoping to stumble upon something suitable, or you could simply open your Google Shopping tab. Because the AI has tracked your recent searches for telescopes and your niece's interest in space, maybe through YouTube videos she's watched, it presents you with a selection of age-appropriate telescopes, astronomy books, and even glow-in-the-dark star stickers. Another scenario, you're planning a hiking trip and need new gear. You've been researching different trails and watching videos about backpacking essentials. Your shopping tab starts suggesting hiking boots, backpacks, and even trekking poles. It might even recommend a specific brand of sunscreen based on your location and the time of year. Reshaping the retail landscape. The implications of Google's AI-powered shopping tab extend beyond individual users. This technology has the potential to reshape the entire online retail landscape. For businesses, this means a greater need to optimize their online presence. With users relying more on personalized recommendations, having high-quality product descriptions and images is more critical than ever. Businesses need to ensure their products are accurately categorized and tagged to appear in relevant searches. This shift towards AI-driven shopping requires businesses to be more strategic and data-driven in their approach. The future of finding what you want. Google's foray into AI-powered shopping is still in its early stages, but its potential is vast. As the technology continues to learn and evolve, we can expect even more personalized and intuitive shopping experiences. This means less time searching and more time enjoying the things we love. Imagine a world where finding the perfect product is effortless, where your online shopping experience is as personalized as a conversation with a knowledgeable salesperson. That's the future that Google's AI-powered shopping tab is building towards. It's a future where technology enhances our lives by making even the most mundane tasks, like shopping, easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.